Hi everybody, in this video we'll see how to set up your tags in uTouchPOS++. Let's log into the uTouchPOS. Once you log in, you need to go to back office, log into the back office. From back office, you need to go to tags from left side. So we have set up almost all the uh, tags for US and Canada. So if you need to change it, you can if you want to add another type of tags, you can do it. So you can from the lowers from here let's add another text group. You need to give a name. Let's say test text, and you can put a name. Let's say TT. It's a level. It will show on the quick sale. Save it. And so we made a group for text. So select it, and you can press the plus where it will add a new type of text in the with the group. Let's give it a name. Let's say my text, and give it a rate. How much it's at? Let's say 6.7%. You can put alternative text as well if you want, and alternative text if total is less than, if you can assign a tax item like a tax amount, like if alternative tax will be 5.6%. Alternative tax if total is less than, say the item price is $10, then alternative tax will be 6.5. If it's greater than $10, it will be 6.7%. So you can save it, and if you go to the menu inventory, select the item, and from the right side you can select the text group from here, test text, and you can save it. You can apply this text to all the inventory if you want. Apply this text to same group, apply this text to same category, or you can apply this text to all item. So that's it for how can you set up your text in uTouchPOS++. Thank you.